morning, children. Now next study addition and subtraction of matrices. The addition and subtraction of two matrices is possible when both the matrices are in the same order. Here, first row, second row, third row. First column, second column. That's why 3 cross 2 matrix. Here also 3 cross 2 matrix. 3 cross 2, here also 3 cross 2. That's why addition and subtraction is possible. Suppose here 3 cross 2, here 2 cross 3. Addition is not possible. Subtraction also not possible. But a simple concept is the addition of two matrices or subtraction of two matrices is possible when both the matrices are in the same order. Otherwise, not possible. Anyway, here addition is possible. The first subdivision, what is asking? A plus B equal to B plus C asking. You want to do. Now first find A plus B. Inside A is what? 1, 3, 8, 9, 4, minus 3, plus here 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 3. Here, addition of two matrices is possible when the both are the same order. No? Now, the corresponding element should be added. What is the first number? 1. What is the first number? 5. 1 plus 5? 6. In this way, what is the second element? 9 plus 7, that is 16. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 1, 9. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. This is the first answer. In this way, you want adding. The corresponding element should be added. All the corresponding elements should be added. We get the answer 6, 16, 6, 7, 9, minus 3. Now you want to add in B plus C. B plus C also, you know. B plus C is good. The first time B, 5, 7, here, 3, 3, 1, 0. Similarly, A is what? 1, 9, 3, 4, 8, 9, 2. Now again adding the same thing. First element, adding 6. Second, 70, 16. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 4, 7. 1 plus 8, 9. 0 minus 3, minus 3. Definitely, both also will be equal. So 1 and 2, what's the answer? A plus B equal to B plus C. That is the answer. In this way, you want. Now, next subdivision, A minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. Now, first find minus A. Minus of, what is A? 1, 9, 3, 4, 8, minus 3. This is the negative of the matrix. That means what? Outside the matrix, minus is the no. You want to multiply all the elements by minus. Minus what? Minus is what? Minus 8. Minus 9, minus 9. Next, minus 3, minus 4, minus 8. Last only, you get minus 3 also minus no. Plus 3. In this way, you want to multiply all the elements by minus. Now add both A plus minus 3. Inside A is what? Already you know. 1, 9, 3, 4, 8 minus 3 is A. Plus minus A already find out. Minus 1, minus 9, minus 3, minus 4, minus 8, 3. Here also in between plus is the no. That's why adding the corresponding element. The first element, here first one minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. The answer is what? 0, 0, 0. All 0, you put 0 matrix. This is called 0 matrix. The first answer. This is called not 0. O, capital O. This matrix is always denoted by capital S. That's why capital O. Now again, minus A plus C. Minus A plus C. The minus A already find minus 1, minus 9, minus 3, minus 4, minus 8, B, plus A already given 1, 9, 3, 4, 8, minus 3. Again, the corresponding element should be added on. Definitely 0 will come 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Automatically this is equal to capital, that is second division. Therefore, from 1 and 2, what is the answer? A plus minus A plus A equal to 0, 0 matrix. That's called 0 matrix. Very simple concept. Addition is possible when addition is possible when both the matrices in same order. Otherwise, Addition is not possible. Here, A and B are the same order, 3 cross 2, 3 cross 2. That's why addition is possible, subtraction is also possible. That is the answer. Next question, second question. A equal to 4, 3, 1, 2, 3 minus 8, 1, 0 minus 4. B equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 9, 2 minus 7, 1 minus 1. C equal to 8, 3, 4, 1 minus 2, 3, 2, 4 minus 1. Then verify that A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Now the addition is given. Here A, B, C are all the same order, 3 cross 3. Addition is possible. Now to verify this one, no, that's why I am finding first find inside the bracket. What is inside the bracket? B plus C. B is what? 2, 3, 4, 1, 9, 2 minus 7, 1 minus 1 plus C is what? 8, 3, 4, 1 minus 2, 3, 2, 4 minus 1. After that, what I told you? 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3. That's why addition is possible. Consider the first element, first fifth. Add the corresponding element. 2 plus 8, that is 10. 3 plus 3, 6. Otherwise, you do one more step. 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 1 plus 1, 9 minus 2, 2 plus 3, minus 7 plus 2, 1 plus 4, minus 1 minus 1. In this way you write, then simplify 10, 2, minus 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 5, minus 1. Okay? In this way you want it. Now start with A plus B plus C. Okay? A is what? 4, 3, 1. 2, 3 minus 8. 1, 0 minus 2. Plus B plus C already find out. 10, 6, 8. 2, 7, 4. And minus 5. 5 minus 2. In this way, adequate. Now, again, what is the answer? 4 plus 10. 3 plus 6, 1 plus 8. In this way you want it. Otherwise, that makes the answer 4 plus 10, 14. Next, 3 plus 6, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 7, 10. Minus 8 plus 5, minus 3. 1 minus 5, minus 4. 0 plus 5, 5. Minus 4, here minus 2, minus 6. In this way, you want adding both. Equal to adding 4 plus 10, that is 14. 3 plus 6, 9. Next, 1 plus 9, 8, 9. Again, 2 plus 2, 4. Here. 3 plus 7, 10. Here. Minus 3. Next, 1 minus 4, that is minus 4. Next, 0 plus 5. Next, minus 4, minus 6. This is the first answer. In this way, you find the first answer. Now, next answer is what? The same thing. First find A plus B. First find A plus B. First find which is find A plus B. Now, A plus B is equal to A is what? 4, 3, 1. 2, 3 minus 8. 1, 0 minus 4. Plus B is what? 2, 3, 4. 1, 9, 2. Minus 7, 1 minus 1. In this way, right? Now, again, the corresponding answer is 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. Minus 8 plus 2, that's minus 6. 1 minus 6, sorry. 1 minus 7, that's minus 6. 0 plus 1, 1. Minus 4, minus 1, that is minus 2. Is what going on? Now find the whole set. What is the whole set? A plus B plus C. A plus B 6, 6, 5. 3, 12 minus 6. Minus 6, 1 minus 5. Plus C already you know. 8, 3. 8, 3, 4. Let's say 1 minus 2, 3. 2, 4 minus 2. Now again, the corresponding element should be added. 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 12 minus 2 is 10. minus 6 plus 3, that is minus 3. Next, minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. 1 plus 4, that is 5. Minus 5, minus 1, minus 8. Second answer. Now verify yourself. This is the first answer. Second answer. The other answer. All elements will be equal. That's why from 1 and 2. What is the answer? A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C will be equal. That is the answer. A simple concept. Both the matters the same order. The corresponding elements should be added. That's all. A simple concept. First find B plus C, then the whole thing. The A plus B, then the whole thing. We have 4 steps. That's all. Now question number 3, find X and Y. Find X and Y. Question number 3, exercise 3, find X and Y. If X plus Y equal to 7035 and X minus Y equal to 300. First time given. In alternative model, X plus Y equal to 7035. This is the first equation. Next, Y minus X equal to 3004. The second equation. That directly add 1 and 2. Am I right? 1 plus 2. Because this will be cancelled. Y minus Y, 0. That's cancelled. X plus X is what? 2x. Now what is it now? Add input 7035 plus add input plus actually 300. We want X alone. The 2 is cross product by 2, that is 1 by 2. Now add input 7 plus 3, 10. 0 plus 0. 3 plus 0, 0, 3. 5 plus 4, 9. All the numbers are divided by 10. That is what I said. 10 by 2, that is 5. 0 by 2, 0. 3 by 2. Here, 9 by 2. Am I right? This is called X. This is called X by 2. First that's all. Now, adding both, 2x will come. This plus this, you want right? Then adding both. You bring the cross multiplication. We want X only. That's why this 2 comes there, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is adding both. Next, this 1 by 2 is what? Is outside the matrix, 1 by 2 is there. You want to multiply all elements by 1 by 2. Otherwise, all elements divided by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. 0 by 2 0. 3 by 2 3 by 2 only. 9 by 9 by 2. First answer. Now, adding both, we get X answer. Now, similarly, subtracting both. Let's say X plus, what's the correct question? 7035. Here, X minus Y, 3004. Again, 1 2. 1 minus 2. That means what? 1 minus 2 means change the sign. Here minus. Actually, X means plus is there, that is minus. Here minus is plus. Here minus. Actually what? Plus is there, minus. This will be cancelled. About Y plus Y. Y, the minus is still plus Y plus Y. Am I right? Y plus Y equal to Y. The first matrix is this one here minus second matrix because signs are changed. Originally plus is there, but here minus not change sign. Already told you this type of problem. This is one more step you want, right? 3 5. Now in between minus will only be plus. In between minus will only put plus. That minus alone multiply to all elements. Minus 3 0 0. Now adding 7 minus 3 4. 0 plus 0 0. 3 plus 0 3. 5 minus 4 1. You want the cross multiplication? No. You want Y now? Y equal to 1 by 2. And Y equal to divided by 2. 2 0 3 by 2 1. Okay. This is that. Therefore, the final conclusion is X we asked me X equal to 5 0 3 by 2 9 by 2 and capital equal to 2 3 by 2 0 1 by 2. Alright, what is the max are always represent capital X capital Y. Don't put plus small x small y. If you are putting small x small y, that is wrong. Only capital X and capital Y. the final answer is the x value is what? 5 0, 3 by 2, 9 by 2, x value, and y value is what? 2 0, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. That is the answer. This is the important 5 mark question. Important 5 mark question. Solve. Solve means you must find the x and y. Here clearly given, find x and y. That is the answer. Now fourth question, the A matrix is given, B matrix is given. Find the values of B minus 5A, first subdivision, 3A minus 7, second subdivision. What is first subdivision? B minus 5A. B is what? 7, 3, 8, 1, 4, 9. Minus 5 into A minus is what? 0, 4, 9, 8, 3, 7. Am I right? Equal again 7, 3, 8, 1, 4, 9. First one is no change. Already told you minus 5 is now put plus 5 plus. Now multiply this minus 5 to all elements. In between plus mean that is easy value. In between minus mean subtraction actually. But subtraction somewhat tough. Yeah, inside the bracket also already minus is there. So now the confusion will come. To avoid the confusion, in between always plus mean that is easy value. That's why the minus 5 is contributed to all elements. But outside the bracket only plus is there. Now minus 5 into 0, 0. Minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Minus 5 into 9, minus 40. Here minus 5 into 8, minus 40. Here, again, minus 50. Here, minus 30. Am I right? This way, you want to multiply by minus 5. Now adding both the easy value. 7 plus 0 is 7. Here. 3 minus 20. Bigger number is 20. 20 minus 3, 70. But the bigger number minus. 8 minus 45. Minus 40 bigger number. 45 minus 8, 37. 1 minus 40, minus 39. 4 plus 15, minus 11. 9 minus 35, that is minus 46. In this way, simply get the answer. This is 2 mark question. 7 minus 17 minus 37 minus 39 minus 11 minus 46 is the answer. First subdivision 1. Now second subdivision, the same thing only. 3A minus 9. 3 into A is what? 0, 4, 9, 8, 3, 7. Next, minus 9 into B is what? 7, 3, 8, 1, 4, 9. Now, this is what multiplication, no? You want to multiply all elements by 3. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 9, 27. 3 into 8, 24. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 7, 21. Next, put plus. Already told you, no? To avoid addition, put plus. Now, multiply all elements with minus 9. Minus 9 into 7, minus 63. Minus 9 into 3, minus 27. Minus 9 into 8, minus 42. Minus 9 into 1, minus 9. Minus 9 into 4, minus 36. Minus 9 into 9, minus 81. In this way, you want to multiply all elements by minus. Now, in between first, you know, just adding corresponding elements. The first element is what? 0. 0 minus 60 minus 63. 12 minus 27 is minus 15. Am I right? Because bigger number is 27. 27 minus 12, 15. Bigger number is minus. Again, minus 72 plus 17. Bigger number is what? 72. 72 minus 27, 45. Already minus bigger number minus 20. Next say, 24 minus 9. That is what? Bigger number is 24. 24 minus 9 minus 50. 9 minus 36. 36 minus 9. Put the bigger number sign. 36 minus 9 is what? 27. Here bigger number is 81. That's why minus. 81 minus 21 minus 60. This is answer. Only 2 more %. In between, you want to change plus, then adding the corresponding element, that is easy for you. In between subtraction also the same concept, but the minus or minus will involve me, sometimes confusion will come. Now fifth question, subdivision 1. Find the value of x, y and z. First subdivision, two matrices will be equal. What I told you, given x minus 3, 3x minus z, x plus y is z, 7. Here, x plus y is z equal to 1016. Which implies the corresponding elements should be equal. X minus 3 equal to 1. X equal to 1 plus 3, that is 4. This is the first answer. What is the next answer? 3x minus z equal to 0. 3 into x is 4, equal to the minus becomes z plus z. The z equal to y. This is the second answer. The next, third one is what? X plus y plus z is 7 equal to 1. Y is what? X is what? 4. X is 4. 4 plus y equals 7 is what? Y equal to 1. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 comes this is minus 11. That is minus 10. Therefore, the answer is x equal to 4. Y equal to minus 10. Z equal to 12 is the answer. What is asking? X, y, z is asking. X value is minus 4, y value is minus 10, z value is what? No, that is the answer. Then subdivision 2, the same method. What is given? X, y minus z, then z plus 3. Plus next y 4 3 equal to 4 8 16. This is good. One minus is given. This is given. Second service, this is given. Now first thing, plus that's why I add it. Corresponding must be added, x plus y. Next thing, y minus z plus 4. Next thing, z plus 3 plus 3 6 equal to here 4 8 6. Now same thing, corresponding answer should be equal, no? First I am equating this with this. Then only we get the answer immediately. Z plus 6 equal to 16. 16 minus 8, that is 10. This is the first answer. Next equating next. Y minus z plus 4 equal to 8. Y minus z is 10, 10 plus 4 is 8. Y 4 minus 6 minus 6 equal to 8. Y equal to 8 plus 6, that is 14. This is y. The third one is x plus y equal to 4. X, y already 14. Equal to 4. X equal to 4 minus 14. X equal to minus 10. Now write the answer in order. X equal to minus 10, y equal to 14, is the answer. Only simplification. Suppose you are equating first with first mean, you will not get the answer. First. But the last mean, immediately we get the answer z. Next mean, we get the answer y. Then subsequently we get the answer first. That's why equating, it's not easy for you. That's why I am equating third element with third element. Next, second element with second element. Third, first element with first element. We get the answer easily. That's why accordingly, you are equating the corresponding elements. We get the answer. X equal to minus 10, y equal to 14, z equal to 10. That's all. Now question number 6, find x and y. If x into 1 minus given x into 4 minus 3, y into minus 2 3 equal to 4 6. Which implies this is bracket matrix, outside the matrix x is there. But this x is multiplied to all elements. 4 into x, 4x minus 3x. Next say minus 2y, 3y. equal to 4 6. Again, plus no, add equals 4x minus 2y. Here, minus 3x plus 3y equal to 4 6. Now, two matters are equal mean the corresponding element should be equal. What is the first element? 4x minus 2y equal to 4. This is the first equation. Keep it next to the next. Minus 3x plus 3y equal to 6. Second equation. Now, solve 1 to 8. Okay? Solve 1 to be. Then it's called what? Eliminate everything. Here, 2y is there. The 3y is there. Now, both of them equal but opposite will cancel, no? That's why this equal multiplied with 3. 3 2 is 6. This equal multiplied with 2. 2 3 is 6. So automatically both of them are equal. That's why the first equation is multiplied with 3. That means what? You want to multiply all elements by 3. 4 3 are 12x. Then minus 2 into 3, 6y equal to 12. Now second is multiplied with 2. Now minus 3 into 2. That's minus 6x. Here plus 3 into 2 6y equal to last one is what? 12. Sorry, multiply 2 no? Multiply 2. All elements are multiplied 2. Now by chance this will cancel. Now adding both actually minus the no? 12x minus 6x 6x. Now adding both 24. You want x no? 24 basically 4 is the answer. We want y also. Solve means find the value of x and y now. We want y also. Put x equal to 4 in. Put x equal to 4 in. Any one of the 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2. I am substituting second equation. That is easy for you. Now minus 3x plus 3y equal to 6 is the second equation. Minus 3 into x is what? 4. Plus 3y equal to 6. Next, minus 3 into 4 is what? Minus 12 plus y. 3y equal to 6. But 3, the y term only left hand side. 3y equal to 6 plus the minus 12 is 36 plus 2. Now what equal 18. 18 by 3. That is what? 6. What is asking? X and y is asking. X value is 4, y is 6 is the answer. By using the matrix idea, you will form the two linear equation. Then solve by using elimination method, we get the answer. Given a nice matrix idea. After forming the equation, this is actually ordinary algebraic idea. Solve the equation. That's it. Now solve the question. Find the non-zero radius of x. You must find out the x. That value is not 0. This is what. Now what is given? Write the given. This is the question. Now given quantity is what? X into 2x to 3 into x. 2 into here 8, 5x, 4, 4x. Equal to 2 into x square plus 8, 10, 24, 6x. Now, outside the bracket, the x is there. That's why this x is multiplied to all elements. X into 2x, 2x square, x into 2, 2x, 3 into x into 3, 3x, x into x square. In this way, you want to do it. Again here, 2 into 6, I said 2 into 8, 16, 2 into 5x, 10x, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 4x plus 8x. The outside of bracket, what is that? 2 is there, no? Multiply 2. 2x square plus 16, 48. 2 into 10, 20. 2 into 6, 12x. Now, in between pressing on. That's why adding both first element. First element 2x square plus 16. So 2x square plus 16. So 2x plus 10x plus 12x. Next, 3x plus 8. X square plus 8x. Equal to 2x square plus 16. 48, 20, 2x. Now, the first equal to first. Two matrices are equal to equating the corresponding element. These two will be equal. But not equal to. The next is what? It's simply 12x is equal to 48. The x is what? 48 to 12 is 4 is answer. First answer 4. Next also 3x plus 8 equal to what? 20. The 3x equal to 20 minus 8. That is 12. X equal to 12 by 3, 4 only. The same answer will be. Then equal last with last. What the answer? X square plus 8x the 12x. But definitely x square plus what equal 20x. What equal x square plus 8x equal 12x. Now what is the equation? X square minus 8x minus 12x. X square minus 4x. Now x is common taken outside. X minus 4 equal to 0. Product of two terms given either x0 or x minus 4 0 up to x equal to 4. But what is asking? Non-zero values of x is asking. 0 is coming. In all three cases, we get x equal to 4. That's why need not equate the remaining part. This idea actually, but you will equate only one answer. First with first you will be equal. That's why second with second, we get the answer 4. That is the answer. Therefore, non-zero values of x is, therefore, the non-zero values of x is only 4. That is the answer. Because suppose even if you get the answer 0 will come. That is not the answer. That's why non-zero value is only 4. That is the answer. Now question 8, this is the last exercise problem. In this exercise, this is the last problem. Solve for x and y. What is given? You must find the x and y. What is given? X square y square plus 2 into minus 2x minus y equal to 5. This is given. In the outside but 2 is enough. X square y square no change at all. Plus this 2 is multiplied to here. 2 into minus 2x, that is minus 4x. 2 into minus y, minus 2. Equal to 5. Now, plus you know, add x square minus 4x, y square minus 2y, equal to 5. Put the bracket, plus the here, this is not bracket. Then they're not easy for you. The bracket here is not bracket. That was not correct actually, but put the same bracket. Now two magnets are equal means equating the corresponding element. What is the first equation? X square minus 4x equal to 5. Am I right? So equal here, then only easy for you. The first one is what? X square minus 4x equal to 5 and y square minus 2y equal to 8. Put the participle. Now form the equation x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Product of two numbers is what? In the first minus 5, sum of that is minus 4. What are two numbers? 1 into 5, 5. But minus 5 no, here minus. Then only 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Separate both 1 minus 4, 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So your answer is x plus 1, x minus 5 equal to 0. We want x on, x equal to change sign, minus 1, calculate the answer, or otherwise x plus 1 0, x equal to minus 1. Then x minus 5 0, x equal to 5. In this way, we get the value 12. Similarly, y square minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Product of two numbers is what? Minus 8 and minus 2. What are the number? 2 4s are 8. But we need minus 4 to cancel. First one is what? Product of 2 minus 5 and minus 4 means 1 into minus 5. Therefore, now your answer is y plus 2 into y minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, y plus 2 0 means y equal to minus 2. Next say, y minus 4 0 means y equal to 4. Therefore, the answer is x equal to minus 1, 5 y equal to minus 2,4 is the answer. This also important 5 mark question. This exercise, question number 3, important 5 mark question. 8th also very important 5 mark question. And 6th also 5 mark question. Remaining is only 2 mark. It is only addition, subtraction, multiplication only. Important idea. Today that's all.